Hi, and welcome to Aussie Boomers Travel. At the moment, we've just finished off Denmark and Sweden. We stayed in a great place in Denmark called the Scandic Hotel. You can join for free a rewards program, and it will give you another 20% off your stay, which is really worth it, as hotels in Denmark are very expensive. The hotel we stayed at was about a 45-minute bus ride out of the centre of Copenhagen. So it was a fair bit out, but just for affordability, it wasn't so bad. And you can catch a train to a station close by and then catch a cab to the hotel as well. So there are a couple of options. In Malo, we stayed at which is in Sweden, and you can just drive to Malo from Copenhagen. It is a toll bridge, but it is worth the drive going across to Malo. It is a pretty city. I had been there for about 30 years and forgotten how pretty it really was. We stayed in the centre of Malo in this amazing pink flamenco Bordeaux themed hotel. Absolutely stunning. A little bit expensive, but worth the extra dollars, and it was called MJ's. When you're in Copenhagen, please go visit the Opera House, which was pretty cool, very modern building. When we were there, Red Bull was having a diving competition off the Opera House into the water, which was pretty awesome, and that was fun. Definitely go see the Royal Castle. We saw the changing of guards. It was really lovely, beautiful. Most of Denmark, just to wander around, I think we did about 12,000 steps or something just wandering around Denmark. And you don't even notice because there's so much to look at. There's the shopping strips, there's the beautiful churches, and you must go to the Tivoli Gardens. Now, you do pay an entrance fee, but it's well worth it. It is absolutely beautiful. When we were there was like a parade. There was dancers doing dancing competition on the stage. Worth it. Now, if you want to go onto the rides, you will need to buy an extra wristband to go onto the rides. We actually, it was actually in the afternoon, absolutely bucketed down with rain. So we spent the afternoon in the food court drinking beers, and it was fun. Very comfortable, beautiful food. So that was definitely worth it. Sunday afternoon also in Copenhagen, in the centre of Copenhagen, is very busy. There were lots of people around wandering the streets, but there's lots of places to stop and look at, but definitely worth it. The other place we went to in Denmark, or a couple of places, was Sogngarten, a very pretty harbour city. Nice place to have a drink and to stop along the foreshore. Be careful of the parking. We ended up getting a parking fine because we couldn't see anywhere to pay for parking, so please be careful of that place and the foreshore. We also went to Jelling. We stayed at a hotel quite close by, and we went and had a look at the Jelling mounds and the runic stones and this beautiful 1,000-year-old church. It's all part of the World Heritage listing. Worth going and having a look at the museum, discovering the world of Viking kings from over 1,000 years ago. And if you're there around lunchtime, pop into Sven's, which is just up the road from the museum. We had a fantastic Danish open sandwich. So there's a few bits and pieces about Denmark and Malmo in Sweden. Next place we will probably talk about is we went back to North Germany and visited some amazing seaside towns and Lübeck, which is just beautiful. So I'll see you then. If you like the video, please leave us a comment. If you want to say anything about the video or requesting any information, give us a thumbs up. And give us a like, would be great, or subscribe. So the next one is at Lübeck in Germany. So thanks for watching. Two Aussie boomers, or two Aussie baby boomers travelling. Thanks.